Hi guys, I'm Miss Allison and I'm going to be teaching 8th grade English at PSD Virtual this year. Welcome, it's great to see you guys, it's great to meet you. Thank you so much for taking the time. I am so excited about the year that we have ahead of us and I am so excited to get to know you guys, and hopefully you can use this presentation to get to know a little bit about me. So this has some background information about me and then a little bit about what class is going to be like. It's self-paced and I just want you guys to take a couple of minutes to go through and get just to know a little bit more about English with Miss Allison, what that's going to look like, all right? So on some of the slides, you may see an icon that says audio included, and then down at the bottom, there should be some headphones that you can click on, and you can hear my narration, just on a few slides where I wanted to add a little bit more, all right? Also, my email address should be below me right here. If you have any questions or comments or concerns or just anything you need as you are getting oriented, please reach out and I'll be happy to get back to you. I know there's a lot going on this week and I want to make sure that you're feeling good and ready to go. All right? Guys, I cannot wait for what we have ahead of us. I thank you so much and I will see you soon.